Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a bit of a clean with me and starting off in the laundry. Just going to be putting on some washing and tidying up a bit in here. So I just wanted to quickly show you these as well. These are our glass jars that we keep all of our laundry liquids in. I absolutely love them. They're such good storage. So what we do is we keep, so this one is stain remover, fabric softener, laundry liquid and laundry sanitizer. We don't use the laundry sanitizer that often, like we don't use it in every wash. It's only like in certain washes that we actually feel the need for it. Yeah, so not every time. And then obviously we've got our washing liquid and the fabric softener. We only use on more like sheets and towels, things like that. And then stain remover, same thing. We just use that when we feel the need to. But these jars are from Target and they're just I absolutely love them. And I love the fact that they all match. So, and you just slide them out and fill up like our little measuring cup when you want to move it and then slide it back again. So that works really well for us. Okay, so before I keep going, I definitely need a tea break. So yeah, just gonna make a quick cup of tea and then I will get on with the rest of the cleaning. All right, so now onto the kitchen. It is an absolute pigsty in here at the moment. So definitely need to get it organized and back to looking shipshape. Now that the dishes are done, I'm just going to clean our drains. To do that, I'm just using some bicarb soda and vinegar. So that'll just bubble away in the drains and help to clear out any bad smells or any food that might be trapped down there. And then so once that sort of sat there for a few minutes and bubbled away, I pour some boiling water over the top just to help flush it all through. Time to drink some more tea. So now moving on to the lounge room and packing away all of my son's toys. All right, so now on to putting away my son's blocks. I found the easiest way to tidy them up and put them away is actually to build a tower with them. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. All right, so my husband ended up coming home and finishing off the blocks because of the big kid that he is. So he wanted to finish building a castle with the blocks. So while he's doing that, I'm going to tidy up the dining table. So lastly today for our speed clean, I'm just going to turn on our robot vacuum to quickly clean the floors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some cleaning motivation and I will see you in my next video. Bye.